Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Google Ads, a Google Ads campaign, and it's quite easy to do. Google's made it a lot simpler to create campaigns, and at this stage I'm going to assume that you have already created an account with Google Ads, and essentially what we want to do is I want to just show you quickly how it's done in terms of creating this ad campaign. And so the service that I'm going to be creating the ad for is for an Amazon marketing agency. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to click on New Campaign. Want to be in the campaign section. And they give you a number of options for choosing the objective. What we want to do with this particular campaign is drive traffic to this Amazon marketing agency page. And so essentially what we want to do is we want to, drive website traffic is what we want to do, right? And so let's do that. We're going to import in all the goal conversions here. And we want to basically choose search campaigns because search campaigns is what we're going to be using to drive traffic when someone searches specific keywords. And so let's add the URL of where we want to drive traffic to. And I'm going to call this campaign. I'm going to name it a very specific campaign name. And the way that I do it is, you know, is to denote what type of campaign it is. So it's search campaign. And also to the fact that we want to name it by the service, I guess, or product that we want to promote, right? And also too, we want to keep in mind that um, I like to actually include a number, a sequential number, so then it's quite easy to just track. I'm just gonna call it Amazon, just to make it easier. Um, and I just number it. So then when I pull out the data, it's quite easy to just know where we are with that, right? And so okay, I'm just going to do a couple things here. Okay, so it's gonna go continue. And the next part is to denote, do we want to have focus on conversions or clicks? Clicks is good if you want to just drive as many clicks as possible, but conversions is if you want to actually try to generate leads, right? And another reason, if you were to do like a brand push, maximize clicks is another reason why. Or if you have just tightened up your website to the point where whenever people come to the site, they just convert. Yeah, you want to focus on clicks then for those. And so, but in this case, we're going to focus on conversions. We're not going to click on this optimize campaign for acquiring new customers. By default, your campaign bids equally for new and existing customers. However, you can configure your customer acquisition settings to optimize for acquiring new customers. If you click on that, it gives you, a couple, you need to include an audience that has at least 1,000 active members. So you want to, if you have kind of like a list of those that are your target customers, then it'll utilize that, I believe, to try to cater towards acquiring new customers that way. So it's more targeted. I usually click search, you want to ask to appear in Google search results and other Google sites relevant to your keywords and display network. And if you are doing something like, for instance, retargeting, where you have a specific audience, you wouldn't necessarily want to click those, right? And so the location, the larger the location net, the more impressions you can get and more money it can actually cost because you just have more people to target. And right now we're just targeting Vancouver, BC, and so maximum reach of 4.16 million. Language is English. Audience segments, we don't need to do that right now. I like to actually use broad match keywords. So broad match keywords work with smart bidding to help you reach your campaign goals. And also I want to use this turn on, so then use my content for my landing page, domain, and ads in combination with assets I provide, customize assets based on relevance for my keywords. And so just makes it a lot easier. And so let's go to the next stage. And the ad group, I usually make it the same name as the campaign, but if you had something specific, like for instance, we're going to create another ad group for specifically for Vancouver keywords, location specific keywords, then we'll adjust that name accordingly. We have the URL here, so marketing agency, Amazon. So I really want to minimize potential um, uh, cannibalization of other um, of other pages. So I want to just make sure I'm focusing on Amazon type content here, keywords, as you can see. Okay. I'm going to also include Amazon PPC, Amazon SEO, Amazon listing optimization. So I had done keyword research prior, and so this is under the assumption that you had already done some level of, keyword research, right? And so Amazon marketing, Amazon FBA, Amazon FBM, Amazon marketing agency, Amazon ads, Amazon ads PPC optimization, Amazon ads optimization. I think it's pretty good. I also do a search to see other, you know, other ads and see if we can actually utilize, you know, find other keywords or copy that we can utilize. Okay. Okay. Advertising. Sponsor ads. AMZ marketing. AMZ SEO. Okay. Say apply all. Okay. Good optimization score. All right, let's go to, I'm just gonna put, in the display paths is kind of like a vanity URL. Marketing, Amazon marketing, marketing. Okay, that doesn't fit. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna add several headlines. I'm gonna maximize this out as much as I can. And within each campaign, I want to have at least 2 to 3 ad groups. Within each ad group, you want to have at least 2 to 3 ads. So that's what we're going to be building out. I'm going to be adding in images for now, if I can find any good ones. You can just go to images, advanced options, and you can find, see if I can find something that's Amazon related. See if I can find Amazon. Cool, look at that. There are several. Let's see. Marketing. So you can actually utilize, you know, you can actually utilize, Google to find some, you know, potential images for your advertising. So, okay, great. Looks good. So I'm just gonna click that and hit apply. Let's see, save, and then apply. The business name, put optimized media, and then business logo, site links. I want to utilize request a quote. Yes, that's actually, yeah, I'm gonna just add that. Let me see if I can. Yeah, I don't have anything else there. Okay, that's fine. Okay. All right. Let's go to the headlines first, and I'm just gonna put Amazon marketing agency, Amazon advertising agency, Amazon PPC services, Amazon FBA marketing. Let's see what else. I like this one as well. Boost your Amazon sales. Let's see what else. Amazon sponsor ads. Scale e-commerce sales. Let's see what else. Okay. Amazon SEO. Amazon listing optimization. Amazon marketing company. What else? Amazon marketing strategies. All right, let's see. Amazon. What else? FBA. Okay. And FBM. Okay, so the description is basically, the copy that is underneath the headlines. And so I'm just gonna see what I can find. Okay, what else? Increase and scale your Amazon sales through strategic and results driven PPC and SEO. I want to also include something about A plus content and enhanced brand content. Amazon store, brand store. Build brand A plus content and brand store. See if I can actually add that to any of these guys. Looks I can't. I'm gonna see. Let's see here. Amazon. Yeah, I guess I don't need to add that in there. Maybe later on I'll add, but looks pretty good. Let's see what other popular keywords they have. Yeah, Amazon sponsored ads. Thought I had something. Oh, okay. Amazon advertising. Cool. All right, so I'm just gonna leave it like that for now, and let's go next. And I'm gonna just use the recommended budget here. All right, let's see. Just gonna use that for now. And yeah, so looks pretty good. I'm just gonna go ahead and publish this campaign. And then the next thing that I'm gonna do is, so it goes under uh, a reprocess from Google. I'm just gonna quickly look at the keywords. Why did it have a lot more keywords than originally anticipated? Oh, it actually brought in all these other ones as well. So I'm gonna remove anything that's not Amazon related. So I'm just gonna go to let's see here. Search. Okay, never mind. Let's go ahead and see what we can do to just find anything that's not Amazon related. My apologies. I'm going to because I don't want it to I don't want it to cannibalize any of the keywords from uh from the other campaigns. So I'm just gonna remove anything that's yeah, this should make it a lot easier to just quickly remove these other ones that's not AMZ or Amazon keywords. Okay. Pretty simple to do. In another video, I also want to show what it looks like to utilize something called Google Editor to quickly launch campaigns, build campaigns, edit campaigns at a mass scale. And so if you have like a massive campaign structure, then it's just an easy way to actually clean or to make changes and or clean things up quite easily. So I'm going to go ahead and just double check to make sure that I don't remove anything that I shouldn't. Gonna go ahead and remove those keywords. And so all of them should be Amazon or AMZ related now. Oh, maybe not. Maybe there's actually more. My goodness. Let's go to 500 rows. Go to Amazon again. And so let's go ahead and remove them. So as you can see, I want to be as targeted as possible with the keywords. Okay. It's pretty good. And then MZ. Awesome. Now that that's done, I want to create two more ad campaigns. And essentially what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to edit and go copy and then paste. I'm going to add it to the Amazon ad group and add. And you want to just create a duplicate if it already exists and you don't want to pause it, you want it to run. Okay. Now that that has been created, let's go ahead and update these ads. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just add in best. Because people look up best a lot, right? Or number one, right? And so if it's too long, then I don't want to add it. Okay, save the ad. And I'm going to do the same thing. Just make sure I'm looking at the right one here. Yep. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing again. I'm just gonna quickly paste. Okay, nice. So now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and so these ads I should mention they're called responsive ads because let me see if I can just click on the detail and then it'll take me there, make it easier. Okay, never mind. Let's go back into here and I'm gonna just call it number one. Okay, now that that's done, I actually want to remove the site links because it doesn't. Yeah, I'll just leave it in there for now. Yeah, okay. So now that that's done, I want to actually create another ad group now. But this time, I want to create a Vancouver specific one. So the copy in it and the keywords that we want to go after are Vancouver specific. So let's paste that. Okay, great. So I'm going to call this Vancouver. So then I can specify that it is Vancouver specific ad groups. And I want to actually add Vancouver Amazon Marketing Agency, Vancouver Amazon Advertising Agency, Vancouver Marketing Company, Vancouver Amazon, Vancouver Amazon Marketing, Vancouver Amazon PC, Vancouver Amazon SEO, Vancouver Amazon PPC Services, Vancouver Amazon Mark Marketing Services, Vancouver Amazon Advertising Services. I want to also add it in the other way also, like so. Some other keywords I actually wanted to add in the other ones are around number one and best. So I'll add that afterwards, after I build up this. Okay, best. All right. Here, man, I'm gonna add number one. Oops. Just gonna copy that now like that, and let's go ahead and save that in there. A lot of these are slow search terms, so in any case, let's go into the ads now. And in this case, I'm just gonna go ahead and add Vancouver to all of the, basically to the copy. So I'm gonna add, let's see here. So yeah, it might not fit in a lot of these. So I'm gonna say Vancouver Amazon marketing. Can I fit best? No. Okay. So I'm just gonna leave it like that, and then I'll do the same thing with the other ad here. Okay. And then do the same thing for this last one here. Okay. Perfect. So now that that's done, let's go back and see what we had set up. So we have basically six ads, two for each ad group, and then in terms of ad groups, we have two. We have the search Amazon and then search Amazon Vancouver. And then yeah, in this campaign, in this one here, I'm gonna add in just a few more keywords in there actually. Search, oops. So you can actually go back and add these keywords, right, into the list, and so that's the great thing about it. So I'm gonna add that, and then also the other version was, I'm just gonna remove that. because this is the non-Vancouver campaign. So I'm just gonna type it in like that. Okay. And I'm gonna add the other one, which is best. Okay, let's save that. There we go. We have some that are on review, some that tell us that the search volume is just too low. But regardless, we're running it, and let's just track the performance. I should also mention that yeah, it's actually responsive search ads, and so Google will actually push the ads, the ad copy, the headlines, or the description based on which is performing best. And yeah, with that said, now that it's running, we're just gonna keep close watch to our campaigns, look at the number of impressions, make sure that there's impressions coming through. That will indicate whether the ads are actually working, and then if we're getting clicks coming through, conversions, things like that. And as the data comes in, we'll continue to iterate and improve and optimize the campaigns. That's it. I hope that you found this video helpful, and let us know if you have any questions or in the comments below. And until next time, thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys all in the next video. Take care. Bye now.